Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about why I bought Tesla stock. Yes, I decided to go for it last Thursday and buy some stock. Now the total purchase for this, I did buy roughly around $2,000 worth of it, and the reason why is for a couple of reasons. We're going to be talking about it all in the video. I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you guys learn something. But before we jump into the episode, right now we're doing an AirPods giveaway. It's super simple on how you guys can enter. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then like my Facebook page, Carter Farr. Once you guys do that, you guys will be entered for the giveaway. So roll the intro, let's go. Bam! Now we all know Tesla as being really just the powerhouse of the electric auto space and really the powerhouse of the entire auto space just because they come out with new designs, new concept cars, and honestly it's a great company. My personal opinion, I think Tesla is a great long-term investment because they're really changing the way people travel. If you think about what Tesla has done in the past 5 years it's insane. They've really changed the way we think of electric vehicles. They created autonomous driving, they have their superchargers, and they're honestly kind of affordable. The Model 3 starting out at roughly $35,000. Not to mention, Tesla's coming out with the new Cybertruck. Really, the Cybertruck's gonna be kind of like a new design of a truck. It's honestly kind of crazy to look at and it's kind of crazy to think about. A truck with no curves. If you look at the whole design of the Cybertruck, it's all straight and pointy edges. And not to mention, this is going to be a very, very affordable truck, and it's going to be a very big competitor with the Ford F-150. Now the reason why I think that Tesla kind of went out and they wanted to create a truck that looked nothing like the F-150 is for a couple of reasons. The very first reason is if somebody wanted to buy an electric F-150, they're going to buy through Ford. So Tesla decided to change the entire truck concept. So Tesla reported last Thursday, the day that I bought the stock, that it delivered approximately 88,000 vehicles in the first quarter of 2020. Analysts thought that they were only going to be able to deliver 79,000 vehicles, but they did 88,000. So it made the stock go up like crazy. Now, my personal opinion, I think Tesla cars are fantastic. They're one of my dream cars, to be quite honest. I feel like if I love the car concept, I love the truck concept, I might as well be a stockholder of this company. Now, for those of you that don't know the CEO, Elon Musk, he's great for the company, and he's kind of bad for the company for a couple of reasons. Elon's a very, very smart guy, coming out with new designs. He classifies himself as an engineer, and it kind of makes sense. But he has some downsides. Just last year, he tweeted that he was taking Tesla stock private, and you can't do that. He got fined by the SEC approximately $19 million. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and turn to the computer, look at the price point that it's trading at, support, resistance, where I see the stock kind of going in the future, and my overall opinions on it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go to the computer. Alrighty guys, we are up and loaded here on the TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim platform. So as you guys can see, we have ticker symbol TSLA, the one and only Tesla. So now you guys can see there's some nice resistance all the way up at here at 382, some nice support hitting lows at 176.99, and then look at this, we had this crazy push up and then this slam back down here. So the way I look at it, honestly, and the way I look at this chart, it's pretty simple. When this stock got way overvalued, I sold some of my shares, scaling into it, I think at 75, and then scaling completely out at 900. Now, I did buy this stock all the way back when it was at 400, and I really thought that this stock was going to push to about 650, scaling up to 675, but it obviously beat my expectations. A lot of people bought into this position because they beat earnings, and Tesla was just kind of going crazy. So now the thing that you have to realize when you're doing trading, swing trading, and overall just investing, you have to look at the chart and be able to understand it here. So as you guys go ahead and look at it, you guys see the resistance lines, okay? When a stock breaks over this resistance, so right here, this resistance becomes the new support. So now when the stock got sold off, it hit this old resistance, which is now new support, and bounced. So now we're kind of back on this upward trend, and realistically, I think it could possibly go all the way up to 725. And I know you might be saying, well, Carter, what about the virus going around? What about the entire market crashing? Why do you think that it can go up so high? And this is long term. This is a long term play. Realistically, if you look at the RSI and you look at the total value when the stock was hitting highs, it was way overvalued. The stock was trading at a 97 on the RSI. The RSI is the relative strength index. This tells you how strong the stock is. Good times to buy, good times to sell. So as you look at it, when a stock is really over 80, that means it's a good time to sell. And when the stock's at a 30 or 20, on here, this determines a good time to purchase. So as you guys see, if you look at it, any time that it kind of dipped down on the RSI, it almost got bought back up, and you guys can make great trades just by looking at this. So looking at it here, it's at 50. I feel like this is a great middle ground in my personal opinion. I think that this stock could possibly hit $400. Realistically, if it does, I'm going to average my position back into it because I'm a strong believer in this company. I really do think that long term, this stock definitely in the next year or 2 years could come back up to 750, and 5 years it could possibly come back up to the highs at right around $1,000 a share. I think this is going to be a great stock to have and a great long-term play for it. Now, if you compare Tesla to the overall market, so if we just pull up SPY here, you guys can see the whole market's up right around 5%. So obviously, yeah, today it is on that upward trend, coming back up to the highs, and that's a great indicator for it as well. A lot of institutions actually just started purchasing Tesla to put it in their funds, which is a great thing. The downside of Tesla does not offer any dividends. Tesla is just a long-term growth stock, and that's the way I'm looking at it. I really am a strong believer in it, and if the stock comes all the way back down to here, it's going to get bought back up and come back up. I am a strong believer in that, and if it comes all the way back down here, am I going to sell? No, I'm going to buy more because this is the strongest support on the chart. Realistically, it's going to stay around that 400 mark if it falls, but long term, definitely squeezing back up to 1,000 within 5 years. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget about those AirPods and sign up for the giveaway. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bam!